Today we're going to take a look at how you can make video file sizes smaller just in your Mac with built-in tools. So what we've got here is we've got a video file. It's only 8.9 megabyte, but it's only 9 seconds long. So we don't expect it to be too big. But let's say this was a bigger file and it was like a few hundred, and we wanted to maybe send it an email attached with something. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up the file. We're just going to click on it. If it doesn't open up in QuickTime Media Player, just go into Launchpad and go to I'll just search for it, QuickTime Player, and just go to the top and File, Open File. So once you're in here, you're going to see here's our video. And how we're going to make it smaller, we're just simply going to go up to File. We're going to go Export As, and we've got a few options. This is already a 1080p video, so there's no point us converting it to 1080p. But we can convert it to 720p if we want, and we'll do that now. And it's saving. We can also convert it to a 480p file, and we'll also do that now as well. So now those have saved, and if we have a look in our Finder here, you can see that the 480p file is now 2.3 megabytes compared to 8.9, and the 720p is only fractionally smaller than 1080p, so it's only 7.6. So we stack these up and you get an idea of the resolution sizes that we're talking about here. We have to decide, as you can see, the smallest one is the 480p, followed by the 720p, followed by the 1080p. You kind of get a bit of an idea for what type of sizes you've got here. So we move this one into the corner. You can kind of see there what type of file sizes you're dealing with, but it's also handy if you want to just send it on like Discord or an email or something, or you just want to cut down the size because the fidelity of the video just isn't as important as of just showing someone it. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.